So this thing's really cool. You can not only use this to clean your keyboard, clean your car, all that little crummy areas of your car, but in the summertime, if you get hot, instant air conditioning right in the palm of your hand. This is John from Gadget Geek. You subscribe, guys, if you want more videos just like this. Hey everyone, today we're talking about the LK08 Compressed Air Duster. Let's open this up to see what's inside. Got a instruction manual. Not sure what that is. But we're gonna find out. Your USB-C to USB-A charge cord. It's just got a little brush. And then inside here, you've got a nice padded carrying case to hold the duster itself. Open this up. And here we go. This is the unit. All self-contained, one unit. Yeah, so that's everything that's in the box. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we now know how this works. First of all, this is where you recharge it. You plug in the USB-C cable right into the back here, and you can recharge this device. Once it's charged, by the way, it comes out of the box with a certain amount of charge on it, so you can use it right away when you get it. There's a couple different controlling functions here. So this button is sort of like a trigger, turns things on and off, but this here dials in the amount of speed that you want to use for your air. So when it's all the way to the left, if I hold the trigger down, it doesn't do anything. Holding the trigger down doesn't. But as soon as I turn it, it turns on. Let me give you an idea here. Now I can turn it all the way up. It's a lot of power. You can do a lot of dust busting with that much power, but this is dual function. Not only can you use this as a compressed air blower, you can also use this as a vacuum. Let me show you. See the back here? It takes the air in from the outside, sucking the air in, and blows it out this end. So now I know what this does. This is an attachment, a vacuum attachment. So you can connect this here. You see these notches? Connect them. And now you can use this to, and there's an attachment. Let me just make sure it's locked in place here. That's the one thing. Okay, so now when I push the trigger, it's a vacuum. So you can use this to suck up dust, and it sucks it up into this little canister here. And there's a filter in here, so it also filters what's coming out of here so you don't get any dust shooting out the back end. This holds all the dirt and debris that you pick up. Very, very cool. And you can attach this, and now you can use this on certain areas like your keyboard and things like that to get all the little crumbs and dust and things out of your keyboard.